Welcome back to Minas Kitchen. Today I'm here with another video. It's called Ashak. It's basically Afghan dish. So I'm gonna show you what we need for this. I'm using gandana. It's basically similar to the chives. I have gandana here. It's from my backyard. It's fresh. I cleaned it and I washed it. I put it here. If you don't find this, you can use chive. And also I'm going to use a dumpling wrap and also some hot pepper. I will show you how to do it. Now I'm going to show you how to make ashak with the dumpling wrapper. There I have my gandana, like I just put salt on this and a little bit red chili. This is the dumpling wrapper that I use. I'm going to show you how to start. I put your dumpling here, put it a little bit on the side, and then put the chive or gandana, anything you have here. Clean the sides. And press it and take a shape like this. Show you the second one, same thing. And press it. I'm going to show you how to do it with the machine. You put the dumpling wrapper in your hand and wet the edges with a little bit water, and then put the gandana in the center like that. And close it. Close it like this. Make sure to close it tightly. If not, when you cook, it will open. And then you have problem. First I have to put some oil here, maybe less than half a cup. Now I'm going to put onion here on the top of the oil. One onion, big onion. If it's small you can use 2 or 3. Now I'm going to put salt for the taste. Have to fry the onion a little bit to getting brown a little bit. Now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Now I'm going to put some chili to it. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. And now I'm going to add the ground chicken. Now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Now after 3 minutes I'm gonna add 2 cups of water and leave my temperature on medium and leave it there to steam for 10-15 minutes and then it will be ready. Now I'm going to leave it on medium setting for 10-15 minutes to boil, and then I will show you how it looks like. My topping is done for the ashak. We're gonna put it on a side until our Ashak is ready. So I put enough water in this and now it's boiling. I have to put the Ashak in and leave it for 6 to 7 minutes to cook. One by one. While the Ashak is boiling, I'm gonna prepare the platter. I have the yogurt here. Here I'm gonna put the yogurt in the base and make it ready for the Ashak. Okay. This is the ground chicken that I made it earlier. I showed to you how I made it. This is now I'm going to use it for the Ashak. Now I have to put a little yogurt on the top. And now I'm going to put my meat on this. A bit more yogurt on the top, and then I'm gonna put some dry mint. And a little bit black pepper. This is how I made Ashak for today. I hope you guys like the video and enjoy it. Don't forget to like my video. If you have any question, comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. See you till next video. Bye. Hello friends.
Okay, Maya?
It's the motherfucking Eagle.
For watching my video. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this is how I made. This is how